Hello and welcome to your PDPW Market Minute. This week, milk futures continue to trade in a sideways pattern. Please note that the September contract closed this week, closing at 18.14. Now concentrating on our November contract, November saw a high this week of 18.02 and a low of 17.80, closing the week up 22 cents on the week at 17.98. The block barrel average was also up this week, up 2.14 cents on the week, with 15 carloads trading hands in the blocks and 9 carloads trading hands in the barrels. With the government shut down this week, please note that there are no new USDA data released this week due to the shutdown. So let's take a closer look at your chart of the week. There was a Fonterra auction this week on Tuesday, October 1st, where we saw international prices rise about 2.4%, which was a pretty significant rise in prices from the previous sale, which had a 0.3% rise in price. Now the auction had an average price of about $4,980 per ton. Now while prices were rising, the volume was dropping. There was about a 3% drop from the previous auction, with about 45,253 tons being sold. Now, since dairy is a major export earner for this country, in fact it brings in more than 7% of its gross domestic product, the results of these increased prices can in fact impact the New Zealand dollar. Now, the Fonterra auction is every 2 weeks and the next report is scheduled for August 15th. Now here's what to watch for next week. We have the USDA crop production along with the USDA supply and demand report out on Friday. As a reminder, if the government is still shut down, there will be no USDA reports available. Now that's your PDPW Market Minute from the advisors here at Stewart-Peterson, Inc., proud sponsors of PDPW programming. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.